Breaking right now at 6, a federal judge has denied one of Donald Trump's motions to dismiss charges in his classified documents case. Good evening. I'm Tiffany Kenny.
And I'm Felicia Rodriguez. Thank you for joining us. Investigative reporter Terry Parker was in the courthouse today. She joins us live with the newest development. Terry?
Felicia, even though Judge Aileen Cannon has just denied one of former President Donald Trump's motions, she says he can bring up those issues again, but during trial or jury instructions. In this case, this particular motion dealt with the reasons that his lawyers say were used to bring charges. They call them unconstitutionally vague.
Donald Trump's attorneys argued that as president, he had discretion to label any documents as personal records and take them from the White House to Mar-a-Lago. They point out other presidents have taken documents and the government never tried to refer a criminal prosecution against them, bringing up Presidents Reagan, Clinton, and Joe Biden, who took documents home from his time as vice president. And the lawyers say the law surrounding presidential records is unconstitutionally vague. But prosecutors rebutted that, saying the documents are not personal records, period, and said Trump had no right to remove them, much less keep them in an unsecured location such as Mar-a-Lago. In the afternoon, Trump's lawyers argued their second motion, again stressing that Trump had the right to take documents. One lawyer saying presidents since George Washington have taken materials out of the White House at their own discretion. Judge Aileen Cannon, however, seemed skeptical of the defense's argument, saying it's difficult to see how this gets you to the dismissal of an indictment. She also questioned whether this motion was premature and would fit in better during trial.
So Judge Cannon has not yet ruled on the second motion, again, trying to get these charges dismissed. And this is the one that focuses on, hey, all the other presidents did it, but you're only prosecuting former President Trump. So that ruling has not come down. She says she would do it very swiftly. And this one just came down within hours after the hearing ended. So we probably will find out. And we're still waiting to find out when this trial will actually be held. It right now looks like it could be late summer or early fall. Live in Fort Pierce, I'm Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.